Have you seen those viral videos of Ronaldo and Messi popping up everywhere on Instagram? If not, you're missing out. Let me share something exciting with you. One account blew up, gaining over 7 lakh followers in just 2 weeks, and it didn't stop there. They're also posting these videos on YouTube, where the views are absolutely skyrocketing. Imagine pulling in 74 million views on one video, 106 million on another, and even hitting an insane 97 million views on a single post. Crazy, right? Now, here's the best part, there's no competition in this niche right now, which means this is the perfect time for you to jump in. I'm going to show you how to create these eye-catching videos using free AI tools, adding the right sound effects, and making your content stand out in the crowd. So grab a refreshing glass of lemon juice, sit back, and watch this video till the end. I'll walk you through the 5 simple steps to create videos that go viral. Step 1. Brainstorm some fun ideas. Fake scenarios involving Ronaldo and Messi. Get creative and humorous to engage your audience. Step 2. Use AI tools to generate image prompts based on your scenario. Step 3. Generate high-quality images that bring your ideas to life. Step 4. Animate the images to create dynamic, engaging videos. Step 5. Edit the video, adding the right effects and sound to make it pop. If you have a good sense of humor and some creative ideas, you can do this yourself. Now's your chance to tap into this trend and build your own viral content. Don't wait, start creating now and see how far your videos can go. Let's do this. Otherwise, you can get help from ChatGPT. Start by going to this page and downloading 2 or 3 videos. Then open ChatGPT and upload the videos you downloaded from Instagram. Ask ChatGPT, I want to create videos like this. Could you please provide some fake scenarios featuring Ronaldo and Messi similar to the ones in the videos? And there we go, ChatGPT provides some ideas. You can either pick one of these suggestions or add your own twist to them. I'll choose one of the ideas provided by ChatGPT. Let's go with the second one. And there we go. ChatGPT provides a complete scenario with dialogues, but we don't need any dialogues in our script since we're creating the video using AI-generated images and videos. So I'll ask ChatGPT, I want to create a scenario without dialogue as I'll be making the video with AI-generated visuals only. Perfect. Now ChatGPT gives us just the scene descriptions, so our first step, generating the scenario idea, is complete. Alright, let's move on to the next step. Step 2, generating image prompts. Go back to ChatGPT and enter this prompt. Create a prompt for each scene to generate the images. Make sure to include the following details in each prompt. Style should be hyper-realistic. Ronaldo and Messi should be wearing their team football jerseys. And the scene should capture fine details. And there it is, ChatGPT provides image prompts for each scene. If you want to generate additional images, you can ask ChatGPT to provide 2 prompts for each scene. This way you can generate unlimited prompts with ChatGPT. But as I always say, don't rely solely on AI, add your own creativity to make the video truly unique and engaging. Do you want prompts that I personally use to write scripts for my channels? Then just hit that subscribe and like button and comment down below. I will pick your comments from the studio and reply to you with amazing prompts which you might have not used before in your journey as a giveaway. Alright, now let's move on to the next step. Step 3, generating images. To create the images, you'll need to choose a tool that can generate realistic images of any character. Now, I'll show you an amazing tool that not only creates stunning images but also does it for free. Open your browser and search for the Glyph app, open the link and sign in with your email. With this tool, you can create up to 20 images per day, which is more than enough for one video daily. Once you sign in, click on Build, then select the plus icon and choose image generation from the available options. Now, you'll need to pick an image generation model. I'll go with Flux Pro, then choose the 916 ratio, paste the prompt, and hit run. Within a few seconds, your image will be ready. Download the image and generate the next one. Continue this process until you've created all the images needed. With that, step 3 is complete. Now, let's move on to the next step. Step 4, animate the video. Alright, everyone, once your images are ready, it's time to convert them into a video. If you're serious about this niche, I suggest investing in the paid version of an image-to-video generator tool that delivers the best results. This will streamline your workflow, save time, and help you create high-quality content. For now, I'll animate my images using Kyber AI. After signing into this tool, you'll receive 200 free tokens to use. Now click on the plus icon and select the video generator tool. You can choose from options like Runway ML, Luma AI, Kling AI, or Minimax. Each tool uses credits differently, so keep that in mind. For now, I'll go with Minimax. Let's upload the image and add the same prompt we used in the image generation, and there we have it, our video is ready. It's quite funny. I don't quite like the free version of Kyber AI because its animation is a bit buggy. However, I recommend using the paid version of Runway Gen 3. This makes the video you create more engaging and every animation generated is more realistic. Additionally, if you subscribe to Runway Gen 3, you'll have access to unlimited generation. So let's use Runway Gen 3. First, go to Start New Session, then add the same prompt we used for the image. Upload the image that matches the prompt you provided. Make sure that before generating the image, you've selected an image ratio that fits a phone screen. To do this, choose 768 x 1280. After selecting the proper settings for the animation we want, just click Generate, then wait about 30 seconds for the video to be generated. As you can see, the generation is almost perfect. The animation we generated looks just like Ronaldo and Messi using Runway Gen 3. The process you'll follow is the same for generating additional images. For the second image, just repeat what we did for the first image. Don't change the settings we used in Runway Gen 3. The first thing you need to do is upload the photo generated by Glyph, then use the same prompt we generated earlier with ChatGPT. If you're a bit confused, feel free to rewind or fast forward the video to get the exact process I make. I don't want you to get bored while I generate the images and animations using Runway, so I'll fast forward this section so we can move on to the editing process. After 10 minutes of generating the images, here are all the results. You can see that the images are polished, high quality, and beautifully animated. The great thing is that you can generate unlimited images, and the process of creating animations from images is very fast. If you also want to use Runway Gen 3, I'll include the website link in the description of this video. Let's move to the final step, Step 5, Editing. Open CapCut and import all the videos. After that, drag each video into the timeline in the correct sequence. Here's a tip to make your video more engaging and realistic: add some funny dialogue lines for Ronaldo or Messi. If you're unsure what to add, you can get ideas from ChatGPT. Next, go to a tool called F-Share. Here, you can generate voiceovers in Ronaldo's and Messi's voices to add an extra layer of fun to your video. To use Find a Voice, the first step is to search for the voiceover you want to use, depending on the character featured in your video. Since Ronaldo and Messi are the main characters in the short video I created, I'll search for voices for Ronaldo and Messi. If you don't have a script ready, you can generate a narration or intro using ChatGPT. Make sure to go for something funny and wholesome to create a more engaging experience for viewers of your short video. After searching for Ronaldo, simply select the voice speech option for him. From here, you can add the voiceover you want to narrate. For example, I'll click on Advertising Narration if you want to create a custom voice narration for Ronaldo. All you need to do is type the script you want. So here's the result for Ronaldo's voice.
Hey there, thanks for tuning in. You're about to hear something special.
It sounds realistic and very similar to Ronaldo's actual voice. And here's one for Messi's voice over it.
Centuries, this land has witnessed history unfold, stories of resilience, progress, and change.
Next, let's move on to Pixabay to find background music for our short video featuring Ronaldo and Messi. On the Pixabay website, you can find free downloadable background music and sound effects that are perfect for your short videos or reels. Make sure to look for non-copyrighted music and songs. I recommend adding non-copyrighted to your search query to ensure you avoid using copyrighted material. After finding a suitable track for my reel, I then proceed to play.ht to generate the voiceover script I created with ChatGPT. The script is written in a commentator style to introduce the two legendary football players, Ronaldo and Messi, making the video wholesome and engaging for viewers. While using play.ht, I utilized the clone voice feature to achieve the best quality of voiceover in a commentator style. Simply paste the voiceover script you generated with ChatGPT, then set the speed to around 0.9. Arrange the voiceover narration in the correct sequence, and once everything is ready, click the Generate button. Next, go back to CapCut, where we will compile all the necessary materials, including the voiceover commentary and background sound effects, to create an engaging video. First, drag and place the voice narration on the timeline. Remove any unnecessary blank spaces in the voiceover to ensure the short reel is clean and fast-paced. This is crucial since viewers on platforms like YouTube often have a short attention span for shorts or reels. Making the content quick and attention-grabbing is key to hooking your audience. Next, after trimming all blank spaces, reposition the first background effect. Ensure that the effect used in the first second of the video is attention-grabbing. This is often referred to as a hook. Once you have a hook in place, add interesting sound effects in the middle or at the climax of the video. These sound effects should sync well with both the voiceover and the background music. After repositioning all the clips and scenes, adjust the background music to include smooth fade-ins and fade-outs for a polished finish. Finally, review your shorts or reels properly. Finalize any additional edits or enhancements that can make your video more engaging for viewers. Once you're done editing, click Export, ensuring you select 2K resolution at 60 FPS and name the video. And that's it. This is how you create a viral animated football short featuring Ronaldo and Messi. Here's the final result.
Here we go, folks. Ronaldo and Messi are set to face off in what promises to be an absolutely electrifying showdown. This isn't just a match, it's a battle, a war on the football field. The question on everyone's mind, who will come out on top between these two legends? And oh, what a spectacle it was. A match so thrilling, so breathtaking, that it's nearly impossible to declare a clear winner. Yes, Ronaldo may have edged ahead by just 1 point, but